Hey, what's going on? This is Dylan, and one of the things I wanted to try today, I was kind of messing around a little bit. We shoot a lot of videos. We shoot basically everything on a Panasonic G85, which is what this camera is right now. And then on top of it, we have a Rode Video Micro with one of those dead cats on it. And it works really good. And, and we're standing here and we're talking and the audio sounds great. The problem is that when we want to like walk away and do any kind of like, oh look, let's show something, let's do something, some sort of demonstration sort of thing, it's sort of difficult to do that because the audio falls off. I didn't want to spend a ton of money on a wireless unit, so I have this very basic Audio-Technica lav mic that I got on Amazon, and I basically have it plugged into my iPhone, and I'm running this is the voice, like just the regular voice memo app. And I just put this in my back pocket. Like that. Got a lav mic. Okay, so now we're on the lav mic. And now we can walk around and we can talk and the audio stays the same, obviously, because it's here. And I'm just using the video from the camera. The thing is, you got to just make sure you give it a snap or something so that you've got a point to reference to in your editing software afterwards. Even if you're using something like, I don't know, iMovie. Okay, so I figured I'd just show you how we do this. So you can do this in iMovie or any basic, most basic little video editing software. This is Final Cut Pro. This is a pretty high-end software, but iMovie will do it, and some various other free ones will do it as well. Basically what we do is we have our video here. So this is the video I just shot in the driveway, and this is exactly how I did it with that video. See these four little spikes right here? Because you can see the video here and you can see the sound of me talking. And here's those four little spikes. What I did was before the video started, I actually snapped my fingers so that the video could hear it, so that the camera could hear it. Now I also did it so that the audio from the microphone that was hooked into the iPhone could hear it. See those four little spikes? So basically what I do is I just zoom in right here and I just make sure I put my little cursor over it, and then you basically just line those up. Now I don't need all of that because that's before I started talking, but now everything's lined up so that my lips will move with the sound. So now we've got volume up on both of these things right here. You see that? And so what we'll do is I just make a cut in the video and I turn the volume down on the camera and I turn the volume up on the microphone. And so now we're hearing the microphone from the iPhone and not the microphone from the camera. That's all it is. I'll put a link to everything I'm using in the description of this video because I think it's helpful to be able to move around and do whatever you want to do. It takes a little bit more work in the post-production side of it because you can't just, one shot it off of the camera. But for the extra 5 or 10 minutes of work, I think it will really up the level of your video. I think it's pretty sweet. My name is Dylan. If you have any questions about anything like this, let me know, and I'll make a video about it.